Hello. Got the motor all fixed. Let me show you this. Got this a brand new super spreader cast net. 5-footer. Woohoo! Slicker suit. All our supplies. Fishing pole. Woo! A lot of stuff. It'll take us an hour to put all this in the boat, Papa. Be careful, don't slip in the boat. It's slippery. I want to think about some non-skid. Came out here, the motor's still sick. It's got a little bug in it. You go, you stop, you go, you stop. High speed, low speed, high speed, low speed. We made it. Let's see what happens with the shrimp. Got me a new cast net like I told you. I'm walking, baby. Woo. Got my new welding hat on. I'm happy. You would be happy too if you had a welding hat. Might be a good fishing day. I'm happy to be back. Don't slide on the hill. Woo, slippery. Let y'all know out here, got a slight rain. I'm cold. Not good. Let's do this. Not a nail, shrimp. Not even a piece of mud. You know what I think? Shrimp were cold, they went home. We're gonna get the bucket, ice chest, fishing pole. We're gonna catch us a big fish right there. Woo-hoo. No shrimp. Not a shrimp. Not even a piece of shrimp. Hey, it's not raining anymore. Well, not a lot.